Hurricanes are some of the most powerful and destructive natural phenomena on Earth. They are massive storms that form over warm ocean waters and can have significant impacts on coastal regions. This is the story of hurricanes from their formation to their effects on our planet. What is a hurricane? A hurricane, also known as a tropical cyclone or typhoon in different regions, is a large, rotating storm system characterized by strong winds, heavy rain, and thunderstorms. It forms over warm ocean waters and can cause widespread damage when it makes landfall. How do hurricanes form? Hurricanes are formed through a combination of meteorological conditions and oceanic processes. Warm ocean waters. Hurricanes begin over warm ocean waters with temperatures of at least 26 degrees Celsius, 79 degrees Fahrenheit. The warmth provides the necessary heat and moisture to fuel the storm. Evaporation. As the warm water evaporates, it rises into the atmosphere, where it cools and condenses to form clouds. This process releases latent heat, which further fuels the storm. Low-pressure system. The rising warm air creates an area of low pressure at the surface. As more air is drawn into this low-pressure system, it begins to rotate due to the Earth's rotation, Coriolis effect. Formation of a cyclone. The rotating air continues to gather moisture and heat, creating a large, organized system of clouds and thunderstorms. When the system reaches a certain intensity, it is classified as a tropical storm and eventually a hurricane. The structure of a hurricane has a distinct structure. The eye is the calm, clear center of the hurricane. It is surrounded by the eye wall, where the most intense winds and rain occur. The eye forms as the storm's central pressure drops. Eye wall. The eye wall is a ring of strong thunderstorms surrounding the eye. It contains the highest winds and heaviest rainfall. This is where the storm's energy is concentrated. Rain bands. Outside the eye wall are the rain bands, which are spiral bands of thunderstorms. They produce heavy rain and strong winds and can extend far from the storm's center. The life cycle of a hurricane. The life cycle of a hurricane includes several stages. Tropical depression. A tropical depression is an organized system of clouds and thunderstorms with a defined surface circulation and wind speeds below 39 miles per hour, 63 kilometers per hour. Tropical storm. When the wind speeds increase to between 39 miles per hour, 63 kilometers per hour, and 73 miles per hour, 118 kilometers per hour, the system is classified as a tropical storm. It begins to develop a more organized structure and a defined circulation pattern. Hurricane. Once wind speeds reach 74 miles per hour, 119 kilometers per hour, or higher, the storm is classified as a hurricane. It has a well-defined eye and an organized system of rain bands and thunderstorms. Dissipation. A hurricane weakens when it moves over cooler waters, encounters strong upper-level winds, or makes landfall. The loss of warm water and moisture leads to the storm's dissipation. The impact of hurricanes can have devastating impacts on communities and environments. Storm surge. A storm surge is a rise in sea level caused by the strong winds of a hurricane pushing water toward the shore. It can lead to coastal flooding and significant damage to infrastructure. Strong winds. The high winds of a hurricane can cause extensive damage to buildings, trees, and power lines. They can lead to power outages and structural damage. Heavy rainfall. Hurricanes can produce intense rainfall, leading to flooding. Floodwaters can damage homes, roads, and farmland, and can be life-threatening. Tornadoes. Hurricanes can spawn tornadoes, which can add to the damage and destruction caused by the storm. Famous hurricanes in history. Hurricane Katrina. One of the most devastating hurricanes in U.S. history, Hurricane Katrina struck the Gulf Coast in August 2005. It caused severe flooding in New Orleans and extensive damage across the region.